Today's video, I'm going to talk to you and I'm actually going to share with you how you can sue a debt collector. It's all under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, also known as the FDCPA. When they call you, for example, there are a number of things that they must do on that call because if they don't, they violated your rights and you can sue. You can get $1,000, maybe even more, and deletion of the account plus your attorney's fees paid. This is why you need to know your rights. So before I get into this, depending on which one of my platforms you're seeing this video, either go to my main page and see the Linktree link that's underneath my bio, or the link may be in the comments below. You're going to click on that Linktree link to open it, and then you're going to go to the very first link. It's a free FDCPA checklist of violations for you, and it's listing all of the debt collector violations that you want to look out for. And then I'd love to know if you recognize any of these, if any of these violations are ones that you're experiencing. If so, please put it in the comments below. So first, when a debt collector calls you, they have to verify who you are. They can't just start blabbing and talking to you about your debt without you acknowledging that, yes, this is you. Otherwise, they have violated your rights and you can sue. They also have to tell you that the call is being recorded. If they do not say this, then guess what? You can sue. They need to let you know that they are a debt collector attempting to collect on a debt. Any information can be used for that purpose. If they do not say this, then guess what? They have violated your rights and you can sue. They also cannot threaten you. They can't say that you must pay or else they're going to take legal action against you, and then they don't actually take legal action against you. It's illegal to threaten legal action if they're not going to actually go through with it. It's considered a threat, which is considered harassment, which is considered a violation of your rights. And guess what? You can sue. So I recently had a client that was able to prove throughout the credit improvement process that a debt collector was violating her rights. She got paid, the attorney got paid, and the account was deleted from her credit report, all because that debt collector messed up and did not think that she knew her rights. But surprise, she did know her rights because I showed her how. So continue to follow me to learn more about improving your credit and to learn more about how you can catch a debt collector.